World star Rain recently entered a military training camp to begin his duties as an active soldier, and over 1,000 fans from all over Korea and abroad were present to say their goodbyes. Rain finally appeared in a casual outfit and a gray hat, and stood before the reporters and his fans. He even took off his hat to show how he looks with short hair.
여러분 안녕하세요. 와주셔서 감사합니다. 어쨌든 오늘 이렇게 또 요란하게 제가 또 가는 것 같아서 너무 죄송스럽고요. 그리고
이거 빨리 가까이 가죠. 가까이 가는 가까이.
네, 어쨌든 잘 다녀오도록 하겠습니다. 고맙습니다.
He briefly shared his thoughts on entering the army before saying goodbye to his fans. He seemed like he was about to cry, so his fans cried out his name to show their support.
네, 와주셔서 감사합니다. 그리고 10년 동안 네, 많은 사랑 주셔서 감사하고요.
고맙습니다.
잘 다녀오겠습니다.